Are you annoyed with the beeps that your Olympus Tough TG camera makes every time you snap pictures? Well, I am. I'm a wildlife photographer and I prefer to be in stealth mode as I take my photos. So I decided to make this video to show you guys how to turn off the shutter beeping noises. So first, what you do is you turn your camera on. The on button is on the top right. And then you press the menu button, which is on the bottom right hand corner. And then there's a bunch of options on the left. And what you do is you press the down arrow and go all the way down to the detailed menu options. And once you're there, there's a bunch of letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Now choose the B, letter B, and then you'll see a speaker sound. Scroll down to the speaker sound. Once you're at the speaker sound, press the OK button. And then you can see the volume. This is when you press down. Keep pressing down until there's absolutely no volume. And this is how you turn off the sound for the shutter button. Every time you take the picture, it will now be silent.